Sige.
Okay na.
Sige guys. Okay na guys. Dili guys barang hakan guys taga Surigao na siya guys. Dinaw sa sunga sa kuan guys. Ila, dayos bayogan guys. Muna ko mas tingnan na mga plati. Mahiwi ra. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, rice planters competition
From Bayugan City.
from Bayugan City, representing no other than Leo Cosido from Surigao del Sur, Pocoy Montero.
Tara guys. Magandang asawa guys oh. Okay guys. Gusto ka taga Surigao guys. Gusto tayo guys. Basta na. Gusto tayo guys. Hindi na taga Surigao guys. Gusto ka taga Surigao guys. Sana guys. Atong lito, duyo. Salamat guys, kawas guys oh. Tara guys. Hindi taga Surigao guys. Tara guys. Tara guys. Yeah, sugas taga Surigao guys oh, handog ko mag-asawa. Sugas taga Surigao guys.
Amo ni guys, among mga kaabaras tanom guys, nag contest guys. Napod ko ginagmay pa premyo ani guys. Na, the winner is Pocoy Montero from Surigao del Sur. Na di gyud magmarguha kasama gyud.